The updated Kubota Z200 is your ultimate residential zero-turn mower that delivers everything you want. From trusted Kubota engineering and durability to a stylish yet comfortable ride and professional cut quality, Kubota will help you cover all of your home base. When it comes to dependability, Kubotas are built to last. Even the smallest mower in Kubota's lineup delivers commercial cut quality and is designed for homeowners without sacrificing comfort, style, power, or performance. Built with homeowners in mind, you'll find aggressive styling, a commercial-grade drivetrain, your choice of a 42-inch, 48-inch, or 54-inch 10-gauge fabricated mower deck, and a tough yet comfortable high-back seat with armrest as standard. Let's take a closer look at the operator station and see just how impressive these residential zero-turn mowers are. All the controls, such as the choke, throttle, and parking brake, are ergonomic and easy to use. Check out the glove box on the standard and deluxe models. It's very convenient with a lid and is perfect for storing small items such as your gloves or phone. Speaking of convenience, a push-start button with key fob is included with the standard and deluxe models, letting you start up this powerful machine with one hand. The new 3-point K-Ride comfort system increases comfort and minimizes vibration on all major touch points. The new vibration-reducing HST levers reduce fatigue in your hands and arms. And the premium models even have a suspension seat with a 1.5-inch stroke to glide over bumps. Standard and deluxe models also include a premium stitched seat and spacious rubber isolated floor pan that reduces vibration through your feet. Safety is Kubota's top priority. All models come with a rollover protection structure and seatbelt. Foldable rollover protection is available on the premium model, as well as an option on standard models for low-hanging obstacles. On all models, you'll find a foot-operated deck lift system. The standard and deluxe models even have Kubota's factory-installed K-Lift mower deck system to make lifting even easier. Turn the knob to set the cutting height, lower the mower deck, and pull the electric PTO switch. It's as simple as that. The Z200 engines are about power to get the job done. The compact and deluxe models use a Kawasaki FR Series engine, with a standard model using a Kohler 7000 Series engine. Power ranges from 21.5 up to 25 horsepower, depending on the model and deck size. When the job is done, maintenance on the Z200 is a breeze. On all Kubota zero-turns, you will find maintenance points that are simple to access. Look how simply we can get to the engine, transaxle oil level, and air filter. Maintaining your mower deck is just as easy on the standard and deluxe models. No tools are needed to remove the floor pan or spindle guards, giving you unobstructed access to the top of the mower for cleaning. There's even an hour meter to remember when it's time for maintenance. There we have it, the updated Z200. Powerful, comfortable, and easy to maintain. Your ultimate residential zero-turn mower.